Hello guys, my name is Rohit. I hope you all are doing fine. This video is mainly about entertainment, and when I say entertainment, what I mean is about cute little tricks that husband and wife plays on each other on a day-to-day basis. And through this entertainment, we are going to give you some exciting news about how Uttarakhand is planning to encourage people to come and work from there during this period of work from home culture that is quickly catching up the market. Okay, I hope you all like it. Do let me know in the comment section if you're liking this concept or not. Thank you. Let's go.
Hi all, I'm Tina
Hi, I'm Paul.
and we are a married couple. Hey Paul, can you please help me with this PPT?
I have my office work plus the housework you gave me.
But you know, I'm not good with PPT. And my boss has asked me to do it as soon as possible.
Alright, only on one condition. You'll do all the other work like cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, everything. And I will relax after my work and PPT.
Chance per answer? Okay.
Wonderful. Tell me what you need to include in PPT. Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel.
After a week. And also hit the like button. Hey Paul, let's go out to buy some vegetables.
Can you please go alone? I have a con call now.
But today is Sunday. And the only reason we planned it for Sunday is thinking we both can go together.
Yeah, I know. But this call got planned yesterday only. And when you are working from home, weekdays, weekends are all the same.
Not fair. Anyways, I'll get it. Else we will have to starve.
Thank you so much.
But you will have to cut the vegetables once I'm back.
Hey, sure, that's an easy one.
Yeah, we will see. And I'll also get the groceries too.
Wonderful. Oh, wow. This trick actually worked. Now I can finally try my new bike. Woohoo!
He'd like to enjoy his bike ride. I'll get home before him.
Paul didn't have a good luck because Tina reached home before him.
Yeah, come. So con call now happens outside on bike, huh?
Hey, I'm so sorry about it. With this work from home and housework, I never get a chance to try it, you know.
So better to lie and enjoy.
No, it's not like that. It's been more than a month since we bought it. And since then. Uh-oh. Yeah, you are right. It was very selfish of me. You know what? Next Sunday, I will take care of all the work. Cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, everything is on me.
Why next Sunday? Do it tomorrow itself and I'll relax.
Hey, but tomorrow also I'll have some work.
But you only said weekdays and weekends are all the same.
Tit for tat, huh?
Haha, yep.
Alright, no problem.
He's still on the laptop. I need that laptop. When will this work from home end? I need to submit my project urgently. What to do? Oh yeah! I know what to do. He had promised me that he'll cut the vegetables. Hey Paul, it's already 9. When are you cutting the vegetables?
Hey, give me like 10 minutes. I'll do it once I finish my office work.
Not working, yeah. I can start cooking only once you finish, and I'm starving.
Oh man. Okay.
I can finish my project in the meantime.
So that's why you got me off the laptop, huh?
Hey, yep. Plus, you had promised this.
So I'm getting a double punishment here?
Oh God. I think we need a break. With this schedule, it's kind of become even more difficult to strike a balance.
But I can't take a break with so much of work in hand.
Listen, Uttarakhand has come up with the concept of workation.
Oh, what does that mean?
They are encouraging people to work while you spend a holiday there.
Oh, so you mean to say that we take a holiday and still work from there? I mean, why will I do that? Sounds like a bullshit plan.
Come on. They are even giving a discount of rupees 3,000 provided you stay for 3 nights.
Oh, okay. And what about the COVID test you need to take? Won't you be spending that 3,000 over there for the tests?
They have removed that clause now. No need to take any tests. You just need to register on Smart City portal. Isn't it cool? And you can visit places like Lansdowne, Jim Corbett, Kasauli, Mussoorie, Nainital and Dehradun.
Cool. Let's go then.
Wait a minute.
Uh-huh.
They haven't implemented the discount yet.
Oh. यार तुम तो मुर्गी प्रेग्नेंट होने के पहले ही ऑमलेट के ख्वाब देख रही हो यार.
What I meant is, डिस्काउंट मिले ना मिले जा तो सकते हैं ना.
Smarty, discount मिलने दो. We'll plan after that. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy, do not forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when my next video comes. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.